about 2 points that you can work with when you are feeling frustrated or angry. And if you saw my video on the gallbladder meridian, you will notice that these 2 points happen to also be the beginning points of gallbladder. As you know, gallbladder, liver, that whole section of the wood rhythm, they govern emotions such as frustration, anger. And so a way that you can work with them is simply by holding these 2 points on the side of your head. You can bring 3 fingers together, thumb, index, and middle finger, and hold them on the side of your eyes and your eyebrow. Take some nice deep breaths in. You can also just lay your hands flat if this is more comfortable. This might actually feel more nurturing as a result. Neurovascular points don't need to be pressed hard. They just need a light touch, and what they will do is help bring energy back to your head. If you are feeling a lot of frustration or anger, I just simply say bring your hands to the sides of your eyes, right at the end of the eyebrow, hold it. And if you need to talk out loud, you can talk about what you're frustrated and angry with. This will help your body process the emotion so you can let it go. And when you're done removing or releasing the anger, bring in peace. Connect to the emotion of peace. My name is Kelly Goetz, and I am an Eden's Energy Medicine clinical practitioner. I'm also on faculty with the Eden Method and Donna Eden. So I thank you for being here, and I'm wishing you an infinite love and gratitude day. Bye-bye.